Hello everyone, hello. This week we are talk about two color. The color is the red color and the blue color. So only two color, right? Today's topic is how to escape yourself as a startup in the red ocean business. So perhaps red ocean is very foreign to you. Some of you may heard of it before and some of you may not heard of it before, but nevertheless, I will explain. In case you didn't know, there are two types of market opportunities when you start a business from scratch. So there are blue oceans and red oceans. Only two oceans, either blue or either red. And today we are focused in red ocean. What is red oceans? Red oceans is where you are in an environment that's competing with a lot of competitors which they are filled with sharks and bloods in the oceans. That's why you can see the red oceans because inside there's a lot of sharks. And when the sharks bite each other, they become blood. So red oceans. So in the red oceans, right, you are competing with pricing, you are competing with servicing, with products, and everything else by saying my price is cheaper, my product is better. Sounds very familiar? These oceans are extremely competitive and extremely difficult to succeed. So either you place more aggressive marketing campaigns or you pour in large amount of advertising costs to settle for a smaller market share, there's no guarantee you will succeed in red oceans. And from consumer point of view, consumer will feel very confused because shop A selling exact same product with the same price, shop B, shop C selling the same. So as a consumer, they are getting confused. They do not know which shop product is the best in quality. On the other hand, blue oceans. Blue oceans, by contrast, is to fighting a marketplace which is untapped. Yes, you hear me right, untapped. And make the competitions irrelevant. Is it even possible? Yes, right? Blue oceans are the oceans that free from competitions, giving you more flexibility, lower cost, and dominating nearly 100% of the market share. So you don't doubt me, I will give you example. All right. The example that I have here is the Netflix. So everyone familiar with Netflix, right? When Netflix opened the door to the world, it is famous with streaming of content. And Netflix is the first subscription-based streaming service. So Netflix has been monopoly this industry for the past few years. Second example, Uber or Grab. They capitalize the existing transportation industry, but they provide a very fast and convenient and cheaper service that essentially created the new industry of taxi sharing. So in the past, we only have taxi, right? We do not have Grab, we do not have private hire, but with Grab or Uber enter the industry, it's changed everything. Do you agree? So this is how Grab, Uber, Netflix, they enter the red ocean, but they escape from it by design the unique business model that nobody have at that point of time. So they make the competition irrelevant at all. If you are just start up, you are new to the business, whatever business that you are going to enter, trust me, somebody already doing that, right? So you as a newbie with a new startup, how are you going to turn the red ocean into blue? Magic. The secret tip is there is untapped blue oceans to be found in any red oceans. I myself already experienced that. So I'll share with you later, right? So I'm going to share with you three ways that you can stand out from the red ocean, which is competitions. So if you are hearing me until now and you are serious about your business, perhaps you need to write down some notes, right? All right. The first one is provide special service. This is also possible to stand apart from competitions by offering service that's not available from the main competitors out there. So I give you an example. Starbucks. Starbucks is unique in selling the coffee, right? What is very, very unique about Starbucks when you queue for coffee? They have this very, very crazy number of different options to make the coffee unique to you. How? They write your name, they even purposely spell it wrongly on the cup, and that cup belongs to you, that coffee belongs to you. This is very unique. If you are in a service line, would you purposely write a wrong name, wrong spelling of your customer name? No, right? Because we respect the customer, we will make it the right spelling. But for Starbucks, it purposely spell the wrong name on your cup. And this is make their service very, very unique because everyone is talking about the name. This is how they stand out. And the second type is how you can stand out from your red ocean. Is you offer special product features. I repeat, specific product features. The product itself may not change, but you can certainly add something to it. New product features can be enough to differentiate the same product from the existing competitors. So I give you an example. Everybody knows Big Mac from McDonald's, right? Do you know that the Big Mac has a copyright on it, and every one of the competitors, be it the existing competitors or the new competitors, cannot copy the Big Mac formula because it has the copyright. So when we talk about Big Mac, immediately we think of McDonald's. This is the specific product service. If McDonald's didn't copyright the Big Mac can be override, copied by other competitors everywhere in the world. But in this case, not a single competitor is able to do so after McDonald's has made the patent on the burger. So I hope I use the examples can give you some idea how can you differentiate yourself from your existing competitors. The third point is how can you stand out from your existing competitors is you can target a deeper demographic. On the other words, you can make your niche become sub niche. So you can target a total different demographic, or you capitalize on the customer preference that have not been met by the leading market competitors out there. You can develop your own market rather than trying to beat the competitors out there. Here, I give you an example of my very own business. Do you want to know? Now, if you are new here, I'm Vernette. I'm founder of the e-commerce university, the first e-commerce subscription learning site. This is my new online course business. And all of you know that there are tons of adult learning sites out there and teaching all sorts of courses with a mixed industry. If you hear me sharing about Udemy is a very good online learning platform with mixed industry course inside. So if you want to learn about business, there are courses for business. If you want to learn about investment, there are tons of courses for investment. They are mixed. However, my online learning platform, the e-commerce university, is created only target to a very special group of people who is only interested in e-commerce. That's it. It is the only e-commerce learning site to offer various e-commerce related courses for elementary, for intermediate, and for advanced level who are interested to pursue e-commerce only. Full stop. So the e-commerce university completely made the competition irrelevant by applying blue ocean strategies. This is my own business, and I share with you how I apply or how I escape from the red oceans of online learning site. So for yourself, what will you do to make your startup in blue oceans? Remember what I shared previously? In every industry, there is a blue ocean. This is how you can differentiate yourself and make the competition irrelevant. Think about it. And then talk about blue ocean strategies. I would like to recommend a book. This book is called Blue Ocean Strategies and written by Chan Kim and Renee Mauro. I hope I spell correctly. It has sold over 4 million copies, and here's the link. If you are interested, perhaps you can get it from Amazon. And disclaimer, I did not receive any commission by promoting this book. I personally feel this book is a very good book. That's why I am recommending. All right. So I'm leave the URL here. That's my sharing for today. Okay, bye bye.